Hello, and welcome to the wonderful world of photography. David Bradley here. Here, I had spoken in a previous episode about how I went to a barn with a young lady, and we had been hoping, or she had been hoping for kind of a shot in a room with saddles and things and stuff, and it was a fine idea. It was a fine plan. It wasn't. It really just wasn't workable. The lighting, it just wasn't. But I kept looking down this long hallway that led out to the outside world and seeing the way the windows were lit up from the sun outside and seeing the bars and the pattern of the doors and everything. And I thought, once again, go in with a plan, but if the plan is not workable, then look for other things. So we did some other stuff, and she rode a horse and got a horse ready, and we shot lots of things. But I just kept looking at that door and thought about how, yes, I mean, the light behind us is not typically what I would go for, but I just thought if she stands in the middle, it could be quite magnificent. And indeed, I think it was. Now, this is, of course, in sepia. Um, and certainly it did light up her hair, and the rest of her is also more subtly lit. And she came up with the pose. But I was quite pleased, and she was quite pleased, and I would like to think that somewhere she has this picture. Maybe she got it printed. Maybe it's on her wall. I don't know. Anyway, also her expression looks, it's not like over the top. It's not like she's like, oh, I must go. Bye for now.